I've been on disability for a year, and they just let me know about a week ago that the disability had expired.
Okay, Charlotte, let me ask you a question. Are we talking about Social Security disability?
No, just work disability.
Work disability. Without knowing a little bit more about it, I mean, the first advice I would give you is you ought to contact a lawyer. And the lawyer would need to have, before they started, a copy of your policy, because that's going to define what is a disability. Usually in the workplace, there are two types of disability. You got short term and then you got long term. Mm-hmm. Now the short term means that basically you have an injury or an illness or a condition that prevents you from doing the work that you were performing at that job. And after a period of time, that usually converts over to long-term disability. Mm-hmm. And long-term disability typically, and here again it's going to be defined by your disability policy, but what you would look at is almost the same criteria and standards that you would need to qualify for Social Security or SSI disability. So that means you have a condition or an illness that prevents you from performing any job in the workforce based on your age, your education, and your work experience. So Charlotte, I would recommend that you get a copy of that policy. Just because they've notified you that your disability was ending, did they tell you why it was ending or what the basis for it was? Oh, she already right. I mean, it may be that just by its definition, mm-hmm. It's only for X number of months or X number of weeks, and it wouldn't matter whether you're still disabled or not. But there's a good probability that it could be they just decided that, hey, you can do some other type of work and it's converting over to long term. So she needs to talk to a lawyer, take the letter and the policy on the end.